Okay, we have the new lights here. Really looks nice. This is the new one. We got to polish it a little bit with some of that oil stuff that we used for silver. It's got a lot of fingerprints on it from us putting it in today. But again, it's the low profile. It's got 4 switches, one for off, and then, or maybe it's 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and light. So here's the light. And that's the LED light underneath. And it's very nice, got 3 screens. And I've got some carbon filters on order that haven't arrived yet. But it looks real good underneath. And it looks really nice. I'll even turn the light out for this room. And so now that's kind of the look with the new light. And that light just makes everything look cleaner and better, in my opinion. And the other thing was just a big rust bucket. And it was so gross when I was carrying it downstairs and it was just oozing grease is what it was doing, the old one.